Good afternoon. Sir, I was listening to the conversations of what Mr. Ahuja Saab also put. So what I understand from the green fuel and everything, we talk about green fuel, but two things that we always miss. One is the safety, and the second is how do we make in India. So the concept of make in India, say now we talk about EVs. जैसे सर आपने बताया कि चाइना की गाड़ी यहाँ बिक रही है. So we do not have any manufacturing capabilities in India. So we have to start working on that when we talk about green fuel. So, and my job is to only tell you about what we do in Ambetronics and how Ambetronics has been contributing in green fuel. So we are producers for safety devices. Now we talk about biogas, EVs, charging stations, battery swapping, making say semiconductors in India, but the safety part is still at the hang. So I'll only go through the 4 slides of what the projects that we have done and not taking much of the time. So this is one of the projects that we completed for hydrogen dispensing and filling station. It's in NTPC, which is the highest the highest filling and dispensing stations. This is where we installed the gas detection. The same was happening with them. They did the hydrogen generation, they did the blending, they did everything, but they forgot to install something. So that is where my role comes into play. And we don't know about how much we are blending. हम बोलते हैं कि we are blending से 2%, 1%, that's okay. But we do not have anything to measure the purity of hydrogen. How do you measure the purity of hydrogen? And the hydrogen purity has to be measured before you blend something into anything. So this is one of the projects that we have done. We have all the products, devices outside at my booth if somebody wants to have a look. One more thing that we did with some of the Adani trucks for hydrogen. I think recently the news are around that Adani has started rolling out their hydrogen trucks. So we have come up with a device that keeps that's a dashboard. It's on the front of the vehicle. There is a gas detector installed, and through the dashboard and inside the car dashboard, we give the readings for the hydrogen, for the toxic, any gases that they want to measure. Even the LNG vehicles we have done. Coming to the second last slide, this is what we have done with all the cars in Tata, and we are coming out the CO and CNG detection and hydrogen detection inside the car. So now we are going to do that. So on the dashboard there's a sensor module inside. So if there is any sort of CO, if the car is locked, it's too heat, you can get an alarm, and then you can do it in a way that your windows roll down or something like that. That is what we have done, a prototype. And the last we have come up with the device, world's smallest flame detector for hydrogen. There are a lot of hydrogen trucks, hydrogen vehicles gonna come out in the near future. We just have a small device. You just put it anywhere and this will detect a hydrogen flame. So that's it from my end. These are something that I have done, not taking much of the time. If you have any questions about any innovations, please do let me know. Thank you, sir. Thank you for the opportunity. Thanks.